It is troublesome and frustrating for users to forget the Apple ID. So here, we will offer you some methods to find back the Apple ID. By the way, some may be not sure if they have an Apple ID or not. You can watch this video as a reference. Method 1. Try different email addresses. In most cases, Apple ID is an email address, so you can just type all your email addresses on the box to see if it can log into your account. This method is a kind of stupid, but it works as long as you remember the password. Method 2. Use the Apple ID account homepage. Go to Apple ID account page, click Forgot Apple ID or password. Select Forgot Apple ID during login. Enter name and email. Correct if needed. Method 3. Check whether you are signed in with the Apple ID. iPhone, iPad, Settings, App Store, iCloud, FaceTime, Messages, Mac PC, Mac, Apple Menu System Preferences, iCloud, PC, Mail Preferences Accounts, Calendar, Mac Preferences Accounts, FaceTime, Mac Preferences Settings. Method 4. See the previous purchase. Step 1. Head to iTunes. Step 2. Click the My Music or Playlists and then hit one of the purchase you have made. Step 3. Select the File button and click the Get Info option. Tap the File tab. Step 4. Finally, you will see your Apple ID under the Purchased By.